script, it will be automatically created. No need to go and do manual. Right? This is also their option. If a teacher knows that within English there are 15 chapters, just give us the name of the chapter, whether you call it unit 1, unit 2, we can create it in a bulk with a command line. No need to create manual. So there are some work which can be done automated. We will explain you as we move on.
Yes. And one more thing, the simple thing, you can just copy also. Copy this course. It will copy here. Okay, the same, everything remains same. We can just copy and we can start using this also. So it is going the different path. So we need to set the path. So
but we should avoid anything because we have experienced that the copying is taking too much time and it's not advisable.
Yes. Okay, if you want to delete by mistake, you can delete this. If you want to hide, you have created, but you want to hide from the other users, yes, possible, we can do it, that also. So once the chapters are ready, so I'm just clicking on the chapter now. So let's see what is going to happen. So I'll just come back to the dashboard. So with the top menu, so easily we can just move easily on the required path. Otherwise, just click on Aside Home. So straight away you can come where we want to go. Just go to the ICSE syllabus. Now you can see earlier only we have class 6. Now we have class 1 also we have added. Under the class 1 we have added English. You can see the path. English we have added. So under the English we have added 2 chapters. So it is showing chapter 1 and 2. So now assume that your structure is ready. Assume whatever the number of chapters, all the chapters are ready now. So here, once you click on the chapter, so now the teacher work starts from here. From this point onwards, the teacher is going to start adding their contents. So this is where the challenge is, how we can communicate, how we can share the data. And this is the area where we are going to add all our data here. So here you can see that for every chapter, there is a default topic 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so now you can see that in the every chapter you can see the chapter 1, topic 1, 2, 3. So just will come back English again. Click
turn on button. Explain that in the initial you explained them. Go back.
Yes.
You remember Nadeem bhai mentioned in the earlier that teacher will see manage and then you will see turn on edit. Yes. Once you turn on, then it will give you an access to change and do whatever you want.
So this is very simple, like how we are browsing in the internet. Okay, so in the internet, if you're browsing, you don't have the permission to change anything. Only thing you can browse and you can copy and you can paste. That's it we can do. So in future, if you want to change anything,
I see some not muted.
Yeah, just muted.
Mute also that maybe there are some. Jafar, I think you're.
You can unmute and speak.
Yes, Rashid, I'm here.
Okay.
Can you hear me, Rashid?
Now you can see that. Now.
Yeah, Jafar, we can hear you, but I request you to mute. If required, whenever you want to speak, you can.
Sure.
Mute. Thank you. Really appreciate.
So now you can see that now we want to change this topic names to as per the requirement. Like we say e-textbook, we want to keep it here. I want to keep the assignment here, video lessons here. So I can category my lesson plan. The lesson plan generally it will be the textbook and the notes. We'll put it on the top, and then in the topic 2 we'll put it all the video lessons, and the topic 3 we'll put all the assignments, and topic 4 we'll keep all for the quiz section. So how we can change this name? So just click on turn editing on. So anything if you want to change it here, if you don't click on turn editing on, it is not going to allow you to change. So now you can see that on every name, after every name, you can see the pencil symbol. That means you can edit here. So if I just click on the turn editing off, you can see you cannot do anything. You can't just if you're clicking, it's not moving anywhere. It will be lying there itself. And also you cannot do anything with your keyboard. So only thing you can just click, you can browse. So as a manager, as a teacher, as an administrator, we can modify this. But the same thing, the student cannot modify anything here. So student can only view. Okay. So as a teacher, if you want to add any content, so just click on this, turn the editing on. So quickly you can change it, change this topic name, rename this to textbook. Textbooks. Okay, so just here you have to press the
We are saying ebooks, ebook.
ebook. Okay, just ebook. Textbook will remain.
E lower किया है नदीम भाई throughout हमने. So without dash ebook, just simple word.
Ebook.
Right.
So any changes, if you do it, just press the enter key from the keyboard. That will save the changes. If you just change anything, if you want to add anything, and then you press outside, it is not going to save. So any changes if you are making, so just always press the enter key to accept the changes. Similarly, if you want to make this video lessons, videos, I will just mention videos. Just a minute, Rashid.
Yeah. Now, if I summarize what we have done, we have a structure. We are trying to design the structure of ICSE board. And this is a one-time exercise. If you see the chapter 1 where it is listed from dashboard, course, and ICSE board, and class 1 and English. So it's complete a folder creation. You're back, Nadim bhai?
I'm back. So
Okay.
So I have changed this to the standard way. This is how we are maintaining ebook, videos, assignment, and quiz. If you want to add one more, we can add it. Additional references. If you want to
It is
add,
up to the school and it is up to the teacher what she is
Yes.
trying to teach, or it is up to the textbook what they have.
yes. If you want to add any topic here, you can add it here. You can just say this is references
Activities. Okay.
or activities or references, anything. So it depends. It depends, totally depend on the school activity. More activities you can, activities, anything. It's so let us maintain this for right now. So later we can see that we can give the option to the teacher. They can do it.
Delete कर दो उसको.
Yes. So how to delete? Simply just click on the edit button, delete this. So two steps, you can just delete that. Yes, it's deleted now. Okay. So now we want to add the resources into this. How we can add the resources? The textbook I want to add. So how we can add the textbook into the ebooks? Simple. On the every topic, you can see on the right corner, add an activity and resources. So this is the area from where we can add the activities and the resources. So you can see that here some of the activities start marked here. So generally first time if you're logging, so you can see this list of activities. So under this, again, it is category into two. What are the activities under the entire list and what are the resources in the entire list? Okay. So here, whichever I'm using most. So what I'll do, so I'll just make it star mark. So just clicking on that, it will be available. So as soon as I log in, so it will be available throughout my login all the time, so that I can avoid searching all the time. Okay, immediately within no time, I can see what exactly I require. So I can add the files here. So adding up the file, so I'm not going to add the file here. So simple way, I will just tell you how we can drag and drop the file. See, you can observe one more thing. I'll just switch off and switch on. So on the top, you can observe here. So as soon as I click on turn editing on, you can see here, drag and drop the files onto your course to upload. So just one more time, I'll do it. So this is the message it is giving. So just you can see here, drag and drop the files onto your courses to upload them. So no need of the complete process. You have to go around, you have to click, attach and all that. Simple way.
Browse.
Yes, simple way. Just you know your content. Yeah, suppose you have kept your content in one of the folder. Okay, assume that you have kept all your files in one of the backup drive in your system. So you want to just drag from there to this particular system. So assume that like